everybody. My name is Kim and I'm the happiest cook. Today we are making deep dish pizza in a cast iron skillet, and I am starting my dough. I've got my yeast and honey and water. I'm gonna go ahead, I've mixed it up. I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes to proof and get all foamy, and then we'll move on from there. So I'll be back in about 5 minutes. It's time to add our remaining ingredients. Our salt, our oil, and our flour. I'm going to add half of it. And let this mix. Then I'm going to add the remaining half, and I'm going to let my mixer run for 5 minutes on a low speed, and what will happen is the dough will form a ball on my hook. It takes about 5 minutes. So let's we're going to let that run for about 5 minutes. All right, if you look inside, you can see the dough is forming a ball on the hook. Let's show you what that looks like right there. So we're going to let this run for the remaining 5 minutes. Here is our dough, sticky, and what we're going to do is we're just going to make a ball, kind of like this. We're going to take some olive oil and going to kind of oil the ball like that. Then we're going to cover this up with a towel and put it in a nice warm place and let it rise and double up. Takes about 2 hours. So I will see you back here when my dough is ready. We are making deep dish pizza in a cast iron pan. And I have my dough. It's been rising for 2 hours. Now, this is a lot of dough, and I'm not going to use this whole dough for a 10-inch skillet. So I am going to save part of it for something else. So we're going to just cover that up, move that over there. So here's my dough. This is really, really simple. I have my cast iron skillet and it's all oiled. And then this is just a clove of garlic. And we're just gonna kind of rub the garlic all over the pan. Then we're gonna take our dough and we're going to put it in our pan, and we're going to just squish it up the sides about 1.5 inches. Now this is not a thin and crispy crust. So if you're looking for thin and crispy, that's not this. So you kind of just do it with your knuckles and push it. Like so. Once we get our dough up, it looks kind of like that. Can you see? This is just up and around. It's about 1.5 inches up the sides. And we're just going to let this rest for a minute while our vegetables finish up. These are our vegetables. This has peppers, jalapenos, onions, mushrooms, and then I sprinkled them with some of my homemade Italian seasoning and a little bit of olive oil. And I put them in at 5 minutes under the broiler, and I just stir them. Hi, I'm back. So we are ready now to assemble our pizza. So our dough is ready. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put half of our cheese on the bottom. Then we're going to put all of our vegetables. Next. Timer's done. Then we're going to put all of our vegetables. Okay. We are going to put half of our meat, and this is just sausage. It's Italian sausage. It's all cooked and been sitting on paper towels. If you're interested in maybe putting together your own Italian seasoning, the recipe is on my blog right here. I use it all the time. It's really good, really easy, and fast. All right, then we're going to put our meat. Then we're going to put our sauce. Now this sauce is, I made it. You can buy pizza sauce if you want, or if you are interested. Again, I have this recipe on my blog. It's made with fire roasted tomatoes and lots of herbs. Okay. More cheese. More meats. Now, if you don't want to put meat on your pizza, you don't have to. You could make it straight up veggies, which is really good too. There's all kinds of toppings and things you can do to make your pizza fit what you want. We have a little bit more sausage. Okay. Then we have our parmesan. And we have olives. I love olives. Then I'm going to put some of my Italian seasoning on it. There we go. That is ready for the oven. Now, we are going to bake this for 25 to 30 minutes at 450 degrees. It's a super hot oven, so I will see you back here in about a half an hour. Hey everybody, pizza's out. Oh my goodness, this thing is huge. I cut a slice and I can't wait to have a bite. Let's see. Let's see. I just want to pick it up and which I will. Okay, there you got it. Deep dish pizza baked in a cast iron skillet. Totally fun, easy to do, yummy to eat, and this freezes really good as well. And then you can just like heat it up one night when you want to have hot pizza. So, oh, what a day of cooking. Thank you so much for joining me here at the Happiest Cook. Really appreciate your support. Appreciate those clicks on subscribe when you're watching our video. I do like that. So, I guess that's it for today here at the Happiest Cook. I hope you'll join us next week as we continue cooking. I think we will be doing another cast iron cooking recipe. So, if you like cast iron cooking, please join me. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.